Welcome to the Carroll County Career and Technology Center. My name is Jill and I am currently interning in the print production program. Like many other students attending the Tech Center, I have not only received preparation for college in my major, but I have also received valuable work experience and earned national certifications. By partnering with local businesses, we are taught on state-of-the-art equipment and are trained by faculty who are experienced and experts in their field. At the Career and Technology Center, you can focus and expand on your careers in programs such as biomedical science, where students are involved in DNA and cloning research, or Project Lead the Way, engineering, where students use their knowledge from their AP-level engineering classes to research and invent solutions to real-life problems. Where else in high school can you explore your career through relevant and authentic hands-on experiences and then have the opportunity to participate in internships in the community with an opportunity to earn a paycheck? Join us now as we look at the many programs at the Carroll County Career and Technology Center.
The Biomedical Science program expands upon a student's college prep science and math courses by using problem-based activities to create an exciting learning environment. The Principles of Biomedical Science course offers students an introduction to the concepts of human medicine, research processes, and grant writing. This activity shows students working with two different bacterial strains to measure the effectiveness of different antibiotics in controlling the growth of these bacterial strains. Bacterial isolates are spread across an agar plate, and paper discs containing antibiotics are placed on the surface to determine if the bacterial strains are sensitive or resistant to the particular antibiotic studied. This activity shows students using agarose gel electrophoresis to analyze DNA for a particular genetic mutation that causes high cholesterol levels in the blood. Students learn the proper technique for loading the gel with DNA and how electrical currents cause the DNA to travel through the gel at variable speeds. In human body systems, students explore the processes, structures, and interactions of the major body systems. In this lab activity, students analyze the skull, femur, humerus, and pelvis to determine a person's gender, race, height, and overall identity. Upon completion of this program, students will be prepared to further their study in the biomedical field that can lead to a wide variety of careers with areas such as forensic science, biomedical research, sports medicine, and microbiology just being the tip of the iceberg.
The Academy of Health Professions program consists of honors-level courses that prepare students to continue their education in college. The Honors Foundations of Medicine and Health Science course provides an overview of the therapeutic and diagnostic systems of the healthcare industry. Students learn to use medical terminology and develop the academic and workplace skills needed to function as a health professional. The Honors Structure and Functions of the Human Body course focuses on human anatomy, as it is related to the medical field. Students also have the option to select to earn a CNA that involves both theory and clinical experiences. Students can also choose to explore careers in specific medical specialties, such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, or dentistry. One of the Level 2 courses that is taught is the Honors Introduction to Surgical Technology. These top-notch students learn how to function in an operating room in the role of a scrub tech. Surgical technology students learn several hundred instruments and techniques during the first 9 weeks. Their job is to set up and manage the instruments and other items a surgeon needs during an operation. Towards the end of this learning time, students research a particular operation and then is videotaped during a mock surgery. This is a final assessment of their skills. All students who pass the mock operation spend 3 days a week in operating rooms at the Carroll Hospital Center, scrubbed in. That is up to the operating table and assisting surgeons throughout the entire procedure. The Honors Health Technician course is another Level 2 class that provides content and clinical experiences in phlebotomy, medical assisting, EKG, rehabilitative, emergency care, and medical diagnostic lab skills.
The Culinary Arts 1 program teaches you more than just learning how to cook. Our program teaches basic kitchen techniques, and you'll not only learn how to use a chef's knife correctly, but you'll also learn the basics of classical French cuisine and the techniques to make food more enticing. You will learn how to cook and to serve hundreds of people correctly in our cafe and grill restaurant. Culinary students also take classes in baking and pastry making, menu planning, nutrition, sanitation, and other related topics. During your senior year, you select one of 2 tracks. The baking and pastry class includes hands-on training in the preparation of breads, pastries, cakes, and other all-purpose baking skills. We practice, acquire knowledge, and work as a member of a fully functional bakery. The professional cooking class seniors have the opportunity to continue with advanced food production skills. Seniors finish the year with a written and practical based exam, which can lead to a certification from the American Culinary Federation, as well as articulation and scholarships to culinary colleges.
Welcome to the exciting world of textiles and fashion careers. What makes it so exciting? Textiles in the world of fashion have been around for thousands of years. Many influential factors have led to inventions and changes. Here at Carroll County Career and Technology Center, we do our best to offer you every opportunity to experience learning through study and hands-on. By meeting goals and competency skills, you'll be able to leave with professional clothing construction, furniture design and upholstery, interior design concepts, pattern making, retail and merchandising techniques, different cultures and their influence on fashion, chemical experiments with dyes, and let's not forget business basics like ethics, respect, responsibility, accountability, and service.
This is a business run. They learn to take money, they learn to make appointments. It's customer service from start to finish. They are with a client anywhere from an hour to 4 hours. So they complete a service. They do every service that they would do in a salon, they can do here. Haircuts, sets, manicures, pedicures, facials, hair coloring, hair perming, the hair bleaching out, highlights, you name it, they can do it right here. Waxing services, nails. So this is as close to a real life experience as any of these kids are going to get.
Here at the Carroll County Career and Technology Center, not only do we learn, but we also produce. The Manufacturing Machines Technologies program not only teaches you how to run machines, but also how to design and create blueprints needed to produce parts. In today's industry, everything that occurs in machine shops is taught here at the Tech Center to keep up with the world's fast-paced technology. First, you start by getting to know what each machine is and what each machine is specifically used for. Here at the Tech Center, we have computerized and manual machines to produce parts more effectively and more precisely. By using these computerized, numerically controlled, or CNC machines, you design a part in the CAD/CAM software called GibbsCAM, and then transfer the program to the machine to be produced. If you walked into a normal machine shop and walked into the Tech Center machine shop and didn't know it was a school, it would look like a regular shop to you. This helps to keep everyone up to date on today's technology and learning the same as the industry does. The Manufacturing and Machine Technology program creates a fun, hands-on experience, but at the same time also helps you learn all about the industry and what it holds for the future.
There are a number of ways to describe Project Lead the Way engineering. It's collaborative, it's creative, it's critical thinking, and it's all centered on the most vital fields of learning needed in professions in the world today and tomorrow, what educators call STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Step through the door, and you'll experience an approach to learning that fuels imaginative thinking, creative problem solving, and innovative solutions, just the kind of skills that will help you succeed in the field of engineering. In the Introduction to Engineering Design course, students learn to use 3D solid modeling design software. In the Principles of Engineering course, students are introduced to major concepts that they'll encounter in a post-secondary engineering course of study.
We are currently designing robots using gear ratios to maximize the torque with the motors that we're given. Yeah, we have to collect golf balls on a specified course that we have to travel around.
In the Computer Integrated Manufacturing course, students answer the questions, how are things made? The course is built around several key concepts: computer modeling, computer numeric control, computer-aided manufacturing software, robotics, and flexible manufacturing systems. Digital electronics, DE, is a part of the foundation of all modern electronic devices. The major focus of the DE course is to expose students to the process of combinational and sequential logic. Believe it or not, it's all about the numbers 1 and 0.
Hi, I'm Caitlin.
Engineering Design and Development is our capstone course. Seniors apply and expand the skills they have learned in the 4 other classes to complete a group project in which they research, design, and build a new and unique solution to a problem. For my senior project, my group decided to design a new windshield wiper. The programs we used in the development of our project was the inventor drawings. We drew each part individually and then did assembly views. We also used Catalyst with the rapid prototype machine to build some of our pieces.
Take advantage of this nationally recognized program. Not only do PLTW graduates earn higher GPAs as freshmen in college, they are more likely to complete their engineering and science-related college programs than non-Project Lead the Way students. Our students also have the opportunity to receive college credit through the Rochester Institute of Technology and the University of Maryland at Baltimore County.
A master welder's career options are nearly endless. Careers range from structural welding and pipe fitting to more exotic pursuits like motorcycle fabrication and underwater welding. Welding is the most common way of permanently joining metal parts. In this process, heat is applied to metal pieces, melting and fusing them to form a permanent bond. There are over 80 different welding processes that a welder can employ. Some are performed manually, and the work is entirely controlled by the welder. Others are semi-automatic, and the welder uses machinery.
Are you interested in unlimited opportunities to create and to build? Sounds like you are looking for a career in construction. Many areas require specialized training and require years of preparation and experience that can begin with your enrollment at the Carroll County Career and Technology Center. Our students learn from veterans from the field and complete the first year of the Associated Builder and Contractors Apprenticeship Program. Masons work hard, and at the end of the day, they can look back and see what they accomplished. It is not just throwing bricks around either. Masons need to be able to read blueprints, understand architecture, problem solve, and work as a team. Carpenters cut, shape, and fasten wood and other materials to build structures. These structures can be large items like houses and other buildings, or they can be smaller items like staircases and shelving. Carpenters must work from blueprints, measure layouts, cut a variety of materials, and do final checks to make sure everything has been done properly. Electricians design, layout, test, repair, and install electrical fixtures and wiring in residential and commercial buildings. Electricians carry out their work following the standards set out in building codes. HVAC technicians install, service, and repair heating and air conditioning systems in residential and commercial buildings. These technicians may be called upon to lay down sheet metal in air ducts, install vents, set up air conditioning systems, make all the needed electrical and water connections, and test the whole thing when they're finished. Employment opportunities in the construction field are real. As the economy continues to grow, will you be ready to enter the workforce?
The Heavy Equipment and Truck Technology program covers bumper-to-bumper trucks, all of the electronics within a truck, engine systems, and hydraulics. This program provides the skill sets needed to prepare students for jobs in the medium-heavy truck industry, marine industry, and power generation. An automotive technician uses the latest diagnostic equipment to assess what's wrong with a vehicle and then fix it. Automobiles are becoming more and more sophisticated and requires technicians who can use computerized shop equipment and work with electronic components. Technicians may then use a variety of equipment, such as handheld diagnostic computers or compression gauges, to help them isolate the components or systems that might be the cause of the problem. Most of the damage resulting from everyday vehicle collisions can be repaired, and vehicles can be refinished to look and drive like new. This damage may be relatively minor, such as scraped paint or a dented panel, or major, requiring the complex replacement of parts. Such repair services are performed by trained workers. Each damaged vehicle presents different challenges for repairers.
My class is part of the Cisco networking academies that provide technical skills to students worldwide. Specifically, this course provides a comprehensive overview of computers and networking, from fundamental to advanced application and services. You will gain practical and hands-on experience that is needed to design, install, operate, and maintain networks in home offices to enterprise-level businesses, as well as learning how to repair and maintain computers. You will work towards industry certification that can earn you a college credit through our articulation agreements and provide you better job opportunities in the information technology fields. If you're interested in how the internet works and how computers operate, this is a great class for you.
Computer technology is designed for students interested in pursuing a career in computer programming. This program is self-paced, and the majority of class time is spent in the computer lab working on projects. The course covers the programming languages of QBasic, Visual C++, Visual Basic.NET, HTML, and Java. The software package Flash is also introduced. In addition, qualified students may earn up to 12 college credits at Carroll Community College. Students also have the opportunity to prepare for the AP Computer Science exam. Drafter's drawings provide visual guidelines and show how to construct a product or structure. Drawings include technical details and specify dimensions, materials, and procedures. Drafters fill in technical details using drawings, rough sketches, specifications, and calculations made by engineers, surveyors, architects, or scientists.
Hi, my name is Jill and I'm from print production. Graphic designers create graphics and illustrations for magazines, newspapers, television, and packaging. They also create graphics for computer-generated media, as well as designing new images and modifying existing ones. The most important things that a graphic designer considers are the needs of the client, the message the design should portray, and the appeal to the customer or consumer. One project in this class that demonstrates all of these elements together is the magazine cover. It incorporates the elements of design, as well as certain skills needed to be productive in the industry.
I'm a student here at the video production class in the Career and Technology Center. In this class, students learn the necessary skills for the video production field, such as basic and advanced camera work, lighting techniques, and audio quality. Students start from scratch as they plan the pre-production, develop the production, and finally edit their projects in the post-production process. At the Tech Center, students have the privilege to use state-of-the-art editing software that are actually used in the film industry, such as Final Cut, Adobe After Effects, and Adobe Premiere Pro. Students have the opportunity to create many types of projects that vary from television commercials and music videos to short films and movie trailers. This class has a perfect balance of education and fun, making it a great way to start any video production career.
Career and technology education is for everybody. It is for students who want to go to college right out of high school or who want to join a trade. Our students leave here with some type of certification and/or an opportunity to earn college credits. There are many articulations with colleges and technical schools.
Yo, everybody take a look at me. I'm chilling at the CCCTC. It's the Tech Center, and I know that everybody agrees. All the teachers here will help you get a college degree. You'll learn way more than just your ABCs. You'll learn the skills that you need, and that's a guarantee. I don't think that anybody could disagree, but if you got a problem, come and see a